guys, this is Sophia. Thanks for stopping by. I have here a entry into the swap I hosted. It's a Maggie Holmes spring swap, and this entry is from GloryAnne. She is Paper Crafts by Glory on YouTube and on Instagram. So if you like what you see, go and check her out. She is an amazing crafter, and I think you will like what you see. So I'm gonna, oh my goodness, look how cute these are. Aww. Look at this. Look how pretty. And they have like scallops on the roof and golden windows. And then she papered the whole like back and sides and everything. That's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna open one of these and do my best to repackage it exactly how she had it. Oh, let's put this on. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the side over here so we have more room. And it looks like she included a cute little card for me. Thank you so much. Okay, look at, oh, look at this. She even has Maggie Holmes stickers, it looks like. And then she put my name in gold letters. Look at how cute. That's so sweet. Thank you, Glory. This has been such a fun swap, and everybody's take on the houses has been like super duper cute. I just love every single one. Alright. Sorry for crinkling. Hopefully soon I'll figure out how to edit these better to avoid some crinkling. Okay. So here is this, so you can get a good look at it. Look at that. The door looks like it has like wrought iron. See how cute that is? And she even has vellum in the windows. And the picket fence has, oh, I want you to see it. It has like embossed wood. There you go. Is that not so cool? That is so cute. So much attention to detail. Look at the scallops on the roof. So cute. I love it. And look, even on the sides. That's so cute. Okay. And so it looks like she did hers like this. So I am okay, so we're gonna do this side first, maybe. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at this. It has like handwriting printed on the envelope. Look how cool. And she put a wax seal. That's so perfect. Wow, you're really good at that. Oh, it might be store-bought because it has a foam tape. Well, if you made it or if it's store-bought, it goes perfectly with the theme. Okay. Alright, so we have, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. And we have this cute chain, and it's a pretty like gold glitter cardstock. She sent a couple of these, and oh my goodness, look at these. Flourish, spring, a couple birds, and these birds have like a feather detail on their tummies. Look at that, can you see it? So cute. Some swans. Look at how cute these are. And in person, it has like a iridescent finish. So it kind of has like a greenish blue glow. Look how cute. And she even used a glitter cardstock for the beaks, which may not pick up on camera, but it's very cute. And then these bag toppers. And look, this one has gold foil even. Those are so cute. I like this bag topper a lot. And then look. So pretty. And these are like very thick. So they'll hold up really nice. Ooh, and look at these. Gold houses. That's pretty cool, huh? Okay, now let me try to get these all back inside. Oh, and I think I forgot to go over what they were sending. Okay, so in this swap, they were to make they were to follow Christian's Crafty Adventures Holiday Advent Calendar tutorial and create this box that like looks like a house or a building. And in the tutorial, you make these 2 trays, and there was these tinier boxes, but you didn't have to make the tinier boxes. And then put everything inside. And then inside, you should include 1 sequins mix, 1 bead dangle, 2 bag toppers, 3 rosette embellishments, 10 flatbacks or charms, 2 shakers, 3 trim samples, and 10 die cuts. And then package everything nice and pretty. So, that's what we're looking at. Oh my gosh, look at this! Another one of those house boxes! I'm not gonna open this because it's way too cute and I don't want to mess it up. But look! She put this cute butterfly and some more of that pretty string twine stuff. Oh, come on. Look at that. What is the deal here? Look how pretty. And then she's got in here all kinds of stuff. These little hearts, some beads, some wire wrapped beads, a bunch of wire wrapped beads, and a bunny. And then a sequins mix. Look at how pretty that is. And there's like polka dot ones, green ones, gold ones, white ones, peach ones, iridescent ones, white ones, clear turquoise ones. There's like so much going on. It's so cute. And even flowers. Look how pretty. And butterflies. Very cute. That is a really cute sequins mix. Okay, and then these are her rosettes, which I'm also not going to take out of the thing so that I don't like snag anything and tear it. Oh, I have some of this. I thought about using it on my rosettes, but I forgot about it until after I was done. That's so cute. She has some they're like paper butterfly embellishments, and they have little pearls in the center. And then she has some of these gold leaves sticking out. It's like a trim. And then some more of that cute twine kind of bunched up behind with a little flower. See, these two are the same, just different colors. And then this one has a flower cut out instead of the butterflies. Oh, and these are crepe paper rosettes with glitter on the outside, and this one is like a die cut one. Very cute. And that background paper is gorgeous also. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at these trays. Oh, so pretty. Look at. Isn't that so cute? Did she do the back? No, she did the outside though, look. Wow. So pretty. Okay, let me try to put all this back before I forget how it goes. I think it was like this, but she put this down so that the butterfly won't mess up. And then I think this goes like so. Or did she do this? No, I think that's right? I think that's correct. And I think this is down so that it doesn't catch on anything. Okay. So then this is the next one. And these are her shakers. How cute! She used that same house dye, but I guess it's a shaker. I haven't seen this before. And she used pattern paper in the back, some glitter tulle on the front instead of acetate. So cute. And then gold glitter cardstock on the rim and pink foam. Too cute. Look at that. Ooh, and that shakes real nice. Look how pretty that mix is. And then look at this. She also has this cute clothespin with a bow. I don't know what material that is. If it's like a organza, chiffon, I'm not sure. And then look, this one has a floral paper in the back, and then the pink and gold. Very cute. And then this one, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Okay, I'm going to try to see everything from the outside so I don't have to mess up the packaging. She's got a flower charm in teal, a little bee here in gold. I'm not sure if you can see it, but pink, like an ivory colored bee that looks like those candies. A pink clear butterfly, a macaron, I don't know how to say it, purple bead, a little flower, pink flower, one of those beads in white, a butterfly, a purple gummy bear, a pink star, and then this pretty, it's like a ribbon flower with like a cuff. It's really pretty on the end. And I think this is a swan, but it's flipped around right here in the back, right here. Very, very cute. Oh, and then look at this. This is her trim samples, and she's got this cute, like, what do you even call this? It's like a very light brown. And then this lace one has little flowers in white. And this one is almost like it feels like a very thin macrame or something. I don't know, like it's thicker than, it's nice. And then this gold one is a heart, and it has like embossing on it. See that? Isn't that cute? So cute. Alright, and then she has these bag toppers. Ooh, and look, she used that iridescent cardstock that it's craft board actually, from Cricut, the one that Tony had hauled and then everybody bought it. She's got some more of those cute, it's almost like pressed paper. Like, I don't think that you can tell on camera, but it's like pressed paper, like it was made on like a screen or something. Anyways, these with the little pearls on them, some tiny little flowers, and then she used the leaves from that trim, gold leaves, spring backed on gold mirror cardstock, and then the back has these little air balloons. You can't really see it, but and some of that chain that she gifted in her die cuts. Another little flower and some clear gemmies. And then she's got gemmies all the way across the handle. So cute, and they match perfectly to the butterfly. This one has pink gemmies that match the cardstock, a cute bow with this little like pearl bow on the top, and then a little flower just like the other one with the leaves, some pearl embellishments, and it says shine, and then she's added some cute sequins mix in the bottom. Oh, and look at this one, purples and teal, so cute. Look at that. Oh, and the pattern on this paper is like a cross stitch. That's so pretty. Alright, so let me try to get all of this back in how it was. I think this one was, I'm going to try to get that more like on that side so it doesn't squish anything, you know? And I think this is how it went. I hope I'm doing this properly. Look how cute, I didn't even realize that. It says Tim. Hey, babe. My baby wants to be in the video, but he's not. It has like the pattern paper, and then she stitched across these tiny puffy stickers. And these are like glossy. I have not seen any that are glossy like this. Really super cute. Look at that. Just stick those back in here. And then stick this in here. Alright. Okay, hold on, let's see, because I don't want to, does this fit this way? Is that how that was? No, it was the other way, huh? Okay. I think it was on this side. Okay, let's try to get this in here. Okay, beautiful, super gorgeous swap. GloryAnne, whoever gets this swap is going to be so excited. Thank you so much for entering into my swap, and everyone else, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.